Immucell is located in Portland, Maine. We have 52 employees. We were originally founded way back in 1982. We essentially run a cheese plant, but then we just do a lot of really crazy purification stuff with the whey that comes out of that cheese process.
Product comes in as raw colostrum, and it needs to be processed into a fine powder before we can turn it around and sell it in whatever format we use.
First Defense is our flagship product. It's purified bovine antibodies. We purify antibodies from milk. So we have a great proprietary production process to get a lot of specific antibodies against E. coli, coronavirus, and rotavirus. And we just deliver them conveniently, orally, right when that calf needs protection from mom and from Immucell. We are a bit of a David versus Goliath story. We're a small company competing against huge companies. We compete against Merck, Zoetis, Boehringer Ingelheim. All these companies have products in our category, but quite honestly, with all my bias fully disclosed, ours is better.
Immucell, for a small company, provides really incredible benefits. I think extremely competitive as far as 401k with match. We've got great vacation, great PTO. We've got paid holidays.
What I like about working here is that having a good work-life balance is understood, and it's very important to me, and it's also encouraged by the companies.
But I feel we're all very well connected. That doesn't happen at a big company. We interact daily, weekly. There's no upstairs, downstairs thing in there. The lunchroom may be upstairs, but the production may be downstairs, but it is one good cohesive unit. So I'd say it's the small but mighty, small enough to be connected, big enough to take on large competitors. So I think people get pretty excited about that. We see our sales growth, we know our product's working, we know we're doing right for the dairy and beef producers.
At Immucell, we have a very aggressive sales force, and we are always trying our hardest to keep up with everything they're selling. Liquid processing is an integral part of our sales, meeting those sales and our business. And we have a lot of batches that come through. There's a lot of cheese to be made, I guess would be the best way to put it.
This job is important to me because we don't necessarily always think about when you go to the grocery store and you open the fridge and grab milk that you don't necessarily think about where it's coming from. And what I like about the job is being able to not only support that process, but the farmers as well by keeping the dairy cows safe and healthy and perpetuating the farming industry in that way.
I feel like I do make an impact in the world, and I'm affecting in a positive way the lives of farmers and people who consume the dairy products.
I wanted to be able to utilize my strong biological background to get more experience in the biotech field. And since I've been here, I've been able to use that in both the vaccine manufacturing side and learning more about the product development side as well. The company's management style is very collaborative. I always feel that what I have to say and my inputs are heard, and that is really important to me.
I have some idea for the machine, whatever. I want to try this way. Number one, we save the product. Number two, you don't waste some time. Quicker, easier. And boom, they let me do it. And boom, they're happy. Every time they say, that Kong idea, my name on it. Yeah, I'm happy with that, yeah.
Our growth is coming from two steps. The first step is an expansion of First Defense, the product we've been selling forever. It has now a new claim that is really opening up a new market for this product. So the addition of a rotavirus claim to the long-standing E. coli and coronavirus claim, that's the initial growth for us. That product, that old flagship product is growing like a new product. And then of course in a couple of years when we come along with Retain, after FDA approval, that just starts from ground zero and goes from there. So that's sort of the second level of our anticipated growth. So I can see employee count at Immucell going from 52 up to 70 or so, 75 over the next 2-3 years.
The prospects for growth and advancement here are great. If you're able to put in the work and complete your training and strengthen your knowledge base, you can definitely advance here.